Hello, welcome back to Natural Music. Today we're going to be starting the song I'll Take the Old Highway in the key of F. Now, you should have just heard the demo, and at the beginning of that demo, you heard the intro. And so let's talk about how to accomplish that intro in this first lesson. So this intro, the chords we're going to be playing, or what we're going to be playing over, the chord structure of the intro is F, and I'll go over what we're going to do here in a second. F, D7, G7, C7, F, B flat 7 to F. Okay? So those are the chords. So you could completely just hit those chords and just do something like... There are many new roads we see today. But instead of just doing that, and you know, you're welcome to do that, and that doesn't sound half bad, we're going to play some licks and some different things over that. And you should have just heard that demo, so let's jump right into how to accomplish that. So the left hand is going to be doing the same thing as the right hand. There's this little walk up before that chord structure, before the first F takes place, the F to D7, G7, and so on. So together they play, and then the chords start. Okay? So what is taking place on the left hand is we're just going C, sliding to D, to F, to G. So I'm just kind of crossing over. I'm going C, sliding from D flat to D, and then we're going F, and then to G, like that. And I think I use different fingers in that. Nope, that's what I do. Like that. And then the right hand also is just going to go C, slide from D flat to D, F to G. And you see how I kind of cross that over there. So those are doing that together. All right? And then let's just focus on the left hand now that we got that together. And then we're going to play an F chord. We're just going to hit these chords, and we're not going to really try to stride. You could do that, but I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to hit it. I feel like it's filling enough. So this F chord I'm going to hit is C, F, and A. So I've taken the C and put it down here on the pinky. And then we're going to go to a D7. So I'm going to play D, F sharp, A, and C. All right? And then we're going to go to a G7, D, F, G, and B. All right? So we've got F, D7, G7. Now we're going to go to a C7, C, E, G, and B flat. All right? And then back to the F, C, F, and A. And then we're going to go to a B flat 7. So B flat, D, F, and A flat. And then we're going to go back to an F chord, but you'll see we're going to state the chord up here with a couple notes. So we're just going to play an octave F. All right? So all in all, it's... And then we actually, when we started on the verse, this will play octave C after that. And this will play a B flat up here. But let's get to the right hand. So we did this, C, D flat to D. We kind of just slide that, F, and then we go G. And we're doing that together with the left hand. And when we hit this F, we're going... All right, so when we hit the F in the left hand, we're going to go G, and we're going to slide from A flat to A, just all in one motion. Like that. And then we're going to hit the C note up here. So it's like that all needs to be together. So, all right, so that's what we're doing over the F. When we play the D7 in our left hand, we're going to go like this. We're going to play a C and the F sharp in our right hand, and we're going to kind of correct to the D. We're going to hit these two together and then just correct that C to a D while still holding down that F sharp. All right, and then we're going to hit a C after that. So so it's like we're doing this, but we're holding that F sharp up there. And then I hit that C by itself. You can keep that hold down if you wanted to, the F sharp. So far we got All right. And now over the G7 in our left hand, we're going to go. Sorry. All right. So what that is we're going to go back to that G and slide to A, but we're going to hold a D up here. And so we're going to do this, the G and slide to A flat to A, but we're going to, right at the very beginning, we're going to hit a D in our pinky and hold it down. And then we're going to come back, and while still holding down that D in our pinky, we're going to hit a G. And then while still holding that down, we're going to hit an F. We're going to cross over and hit an F here. And if you want to, you can release that D by the time you hit that F, but if you can hold it down, go ahead and hold it down. You can go, and it'll work either way. So far we got... And you know what? Up here, I go ahead and slide that on that D. Remember how we corrected from the C to D? I go ahead and slide the C sharp there, or the D flat, up to the D, like that. See how I did that? You can do it either way. You can go, or you can go, and then over that G. All right. So far. All right, now when we play that C7 down here, that C, E, G, and the B flat in there, we're gonna do this little it's chromatic a little bit, going over that C chord. We're gonna go E flat, E, F, F sharp, cross over with the thumb and play a G, and then our pinky, we're gonna play a C, so. All right, then while holding that C down, if you can, when we go back to that F, we're gonna hit that F note. See how we did that? And actually, you don't have to hold down that C. I do it about half the time. All right? And then while still holding that F chord down in our left hand, we're going to make it kind of an F7 right before we go into the B flat 7, and we're going to hit a C and an E flat. So we're holding it down. We went C, F chord, and we're going to hit there. And then when we go to the B flat 7, we're going to slide this C to D flat to D up to F, back down to D. So C, D flat to D, F, then back to D, like that. All right. And then when we go down to the octave F here, we're just going to hit, because we're going back to an F chord, so we're going to hit the F down here of the F chord, and here we're going to hit the A and C. All right, so real slow so far. And then you'll kind of be into the verse, but I'll go ahead and go over this. You're going to hit a C octave, and then we're going to hit a B flat chord up here, which is F, B flat, and D. And then you're into the song. There are many new roads, and you're into rhythm. Okay, so real slow, the whole intro is. Oop. There are many new roads we see today. Okay, so a little bit more up to speed. Kind of messed up there. Let me do that again. There are many new roads we see each day. Okay, so that is it for the intro of I'll Take the Old Highway. Nice little just light sounding Southern gospel intro for this old song. Hope you're enjoying this song so far and that intro, and that'll actually work on a lot of different, you'd be surprised at how many songs that will work on in the key of F, and that's what I want you to do. I want you to grasp the concepts of what we're doing and be able to apply it to your music. But for now, we're working on this song, I'll Take the Old Highway. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you at the next lesson where we go over the verse and the chords and the rhythm of this song.